Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening a box of the 25th Anniversary Rarity Collection Volume 2 for YuGiOh. So without wasting any time, let's crack the box open. Let's see what we get. Once again, there's like 8 different rarities. Let's hope I don't mix them up. If the box allows us to open it, which it does. How wonderful. Once again, very nice texture here. So let's see what we get. And I will skip over most of them. I will not skip over Triptychs Rafflesia. Is this, yeah, this should be a quarter century secret rare, I think. It's really hard to tell. Usually you have like the, yeah, there you can see it on the lines. We have a Skullmeister secret rare, and then 2 ultra rares in Ultimate Slayer and Anti-Spell Fragrance, as well as Emergency Teleport and the Rescue Rabbit. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we get here. We get, that's the textured one. Should be Ultimate Rare, if I recall correctly. A Rescue Cat. We get another one, a Crossout Designator. We get the, what was it? Something with P Prismatic? No, Platinum Secret Rare. That was it. My friend Pearly. Regular Secret Rare, Unchained Soul of Rage. A Fusion Deployment and Hieratic Seal of the Heavenly Spheres, an ultra rare. And on to the next pack we go. Let's see what we get here. A Blue Eyes Jet Dragon secret rare, an Abominations Prison, also secret rare, a Skill Drain, Guardian Chimera, Masquerade, the Blazing Dragon, and a ultra rare Rescue Cat. Also, looking up the prices for this set will not be a lot of fun, but I will do it anyway. We have Doll and Lockbird in, this is not the textured one. Yeah, honestly, I've forgotten what it's called. Such a shame. I will add it to the video. And we get a Platinum secret rare. What was it called? I've forgotten. An Exorcistus Magnifica, a Solemn Judgment, Droll and Lockbird, a Mind Control. Let's move along. And see what we get. Get a Triptychs Rafflesia and the same rarity that I can't remember for the life of me. We get a 25th quarter century secret rare Abyss Dweller, a Platinum secret rare TG Hyper Librarian, Illusion of Chaos, Abominations Prism, and an Enemy Controller. On to the next pick we go. Let's see. We have a Ultimate Rare Exorcistus Magnifica, a Solemn Strike, Secret Rare, Skill Drain, Secret Rare, Bingo Machine Go, Preparation of Rites, and Blue Eyes Alternative White Dragon in Ultra Rare. And on to the next pick we go with a Polymerization Ultimate Rare. Droll and Lockbird Quarter Century Secret Rare. A Purely Pretty Memory. Trishula, Dragon of the Ice Barrier, Twin Twisters, and my friend Pearly. On to the next pack we go. We have a Rescue Cat. We have a Rescue Rabbit in Secret Rare, and Access Code Talker in Secret Rare. There we have some money. Mystical Space Typhoon, Book of Moon, and Book of Eclipse. Does the box tell us? No, the box, of course. Well, let's see. Doesn't tell us. How's that? On to the next pack we go. With a Hieratic Seal of the Heavenly Spheres in Secret Rare, an Enemy Controller in Secret Rare, number 60. Dagaris, the Timeless, Soravis, the Ancient and Ascended, a Magician's Souls, and a Polymerization. On to the next pack we go. With a Blue Eyes Spirit Dragon, Secret Rare, an Abyss Dweller Secret Rare, Blue Eyes Jet Dragon, TG Hyper Librarian, Pearly Pretty Memory, and a Ultra Rare Abyss Dweller. On to the next pack we go. We have a Pot of Duality Platinum Secret Rare, a Psychic and Punisher Secret Rare, Charge of a Light Brigade, Crystal Wing Synchro Dragon, Primitive Planet, Reich Phobia, Fantastical Dragon, Phantasme. Basically reading half the card anyway. We have a super rare Access Code Token, which should still be a little bit of money. Apollousa, Bow of the Goddess. I'm not sure in super rare if it's money. We shall see. We have a Rescue Cat in Secret Rare, Charge of a Light Brigade, a Coral Dragon, Abyss Dweller, Raikou, Lightsworn Hunter, and Garura, Wings of Resonant Life. On to the next one we go, where we have a Foolish Burial Ultimate Rare, a Access Code Talker, a Abominations Prism in Platinum Secret Rare, Preparation of Rites Secret Rare, Book of Eclipse, and another Access Code Talker. Ooh, that was not too bad. Let's see how the value holds up the more of those packs are opened. Let's see, next one we have a Sol and Luna Ultimate Rare, Solemn Strike Secret Rare, Super Nimble Mega Hamster in Secret Rare, Phantom Knights of Breaksword, Underworld Goddess of a Closed World, and Blue Eye Spirit Dragon. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we get. Illusion of Chaos, 25th Anniversary, a Quarter Century Secret Rare, Ultimate Slayer in Secret Rare, Pot of Duality, Sol and Luna, Different Dimension Crow, Forbidden Lance. And on to the next pack we go. Let's see what we get. Get the Phantom Knights of Breaksword Collector Rare, Blue Eyes Alternative White Dragon Collector Rare, Anti-Spell Fragrance in Secret Rare, And Cosmic Cyclone, of course, also in Secret Rare. Mystical Space Typhoon and Psy Framelord Omega. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we get. We get a Solemn Warning, an Illusion of Chaos, a Magician's Soul in Secret Rare, Forbidden Lands, Secret Rare, AP Masquerina, also some money in Ultra Rare, and Brawl and Dragon as well. Moving on, we have a Silent Magician, a Fusion Deployment in Secret Rare, a Silent Magician in Secret Rare, Solemn Warning, Psychic and Punisher, Super Nimble Mega Hamster, and a Skullmeister. On to the next pack we go, where we have a Skill Drain in the Ultimate Rarity, as well as a Solemn Warning in the same rarity, a Quarter Century Secret Rare Rescue Cat, a Skullmeister in Secret Rare, Droll and Lockbird, and Wind Twisters. 5 packs left to go. So far, I guess it's quite decent, especially with current prices. We have number 60. The rest with Timeless and Secret Rare, Solemn Warning, Secret Rare, Silent Magician, Gold Sarcophagus, Red Eyes Dark Dragoon, and Book of Moon in Ultra Rare. But for the life of me, I can't remember the 8th rarity. We have Platinum Secret Rare, Foolish Burial, Anti-Spell Fragrance, and then Foolish Burial, Ghost Ogre and Snow Rabbit, Skullmeister, and a Cosmic Cyclone. Down to the last 3 packs. Let's see what else we get. We get number 38, Hope Harbinger, Dragon Titanic Galaxy Secret Rare, a Traptrix Rafflesia, a Psy Framelord, Omega, Chaos Hunter, Trishula, Dragon of the Ice Barrier, and Peaceful Planet Calarium. Second to last pack. Let's see what we get. Get a Psy Framelord Omega, a Super Nimble Mega Hamster in Secret Rare both, an Exorcister Pax, Silent Swordsman, Sol and Luna, and another Rescue Rabbit. And down to the last pack. Let's see what we get. We get an Illusion of Chaos Ultimate Rare, an Emergency Teleport Ultimate Rare, a Solemn Warning Quarter Century Secret Rare, a Mind Control Secret Rare, Solemn Judgment, and Different Dimension Crow in Ultra Rare. So I apologize for not remembering the last rarity. But anyway, this has been another card opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I'll be seeing you at the next one.